flowchart represents the start or beginning or and the end of the program. So first, start and display selamat datang, and students have three choices: to pinjam, to pulang, or to exit. If they want to borrow the book, they need to choose a book, and then they display this title, bookshare, photo, code, year, and location. And next, will display terima kasih. If they want to return the book, they need to enter their name, metric number, the title, per period. If less than 14 days, they display tanya, and if doesn't, if not, they will need to pay the forfeit. And terima kasih, selamat datang lagi. Or they want to exit, yes, they will display terima kasih, selamat datang lagi. Or if these three no, they will display invalid choice and need to try again. And lastly, the end of this flowchart.
And today I will present about how to use our project C programming coding, which is library management system. So as you can see here, this is our coding. We need to press F10, and then we need to choose either one of these three choices. Click one and then press enter. And then let's say I want to engineering math books, and then I click one and then enter, and then it will show all the information about the engineering mathematics books. And then if we want to return the books, we click 2 and then enter, then we enter our name, and we need to space by using underscore. And then after we insert our name, click enter, we need to insert our metric number, click enter, and then enter any book title. Let's say we want to return structural analysis book, click enter, and then we enter borrowing period. Let's say I borrow exceed 14 days, which is 19 days, and then it will show our name, metric number, what book that we will return, and the fee that we need to pay on SMAP Online. And then let's say we return the book on time, we do the same process. And then let's say we return the book on time, let's say 7 days, and then it will show that congratulates us. And then let's say if we want to enter the number which is not inside the choices here, it will keep asking to insert the number that have in here. But if you want to exit the programming, we need to click exit with each tree. Then there you go. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, for this part I will explain a little bit about the first of the code. Okay, for the first we will write the start, and second we will display selamat datang, and for the third we give the student to choose which one they want, which is for 1 to pinjam, for 2 to pulang, and for third to exit. Okay, for the 4, if they choose 1, that means they need to choose their book. For the next step, they will enter the number that already provided to choose which one the book they want to read based on the number provided. Like for number 1 is 2 engineering mathematics 2, and the 2 for such analysis, and 3 for physics, and for the 4 algebra, and the last 5 is for chemistry book. And for the 4th civil, after that they have choose their book, the computer will display the title, bookshelf, author, code, year, and location. If they choose the number 2, so that means they want to borrow the book, so they need to enter the name, book title, metric number, and borrowing period. If they are returning the book within the 40 days, so that means they are returning the book on time, so they are not to pay a fine. But if they are not to returning the book within the 40 days, they should to pay a fine, which is 1 day is equal to 1 ringgit. So if they are not returning the book for 14 days, for example, so they need to pay a fine 14 ringgits. But if they choose the else number, which is number 3, so the computer will display we have entered a valid choice, so please try again. That means they need to choose either number 1, number 2, or number 3. Okay, after that display will terima kasih, see you datang lagi, and the number is N.